Hello everybody, this is for all you boys and girls at home, no school, maybe no friends close by. Might seem great today, but after a bit of time you're going to get bored, I'm sure. But we've also got to keep your bodies moving and your minds busy. So we're going to do today some exercises, some movements that come from ancient China. And they're called Tai Chi, Qigong, animal movements. We're going to concentrate on birds today, and each time you join me, it'll be something different. First bird we're going to do is called a crane. Cranes have long, thin legs, nice, beautiful, long, slim neck, quite big, pointy beaks, and very graceful wings. And we're going to do 3 different movements. Don't get cranes very often in this country, in England. We get herons, grey birds that are quite similar, and now more recently we have the white egrets, but they're much smaller than a crane. A crane is probably about that big. We're going to stand with our feet a little way apart, and we're going to just lift our arms or our wings in the trees and down. There's a little movement in the knees, breathing in as we lift, press down as if you're going up through the air, up into that beautiful blue sky we've got today. That's it, lovely. And now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to come up onto the toes. Lifting, marvellous, well done, and down, and lifting, and down. Keep those wings moving, otherwise you'll find yourself falling down to earth with a bump. And lift. That's it. So we're going to do a similar thing with the arms. I'm going to come down in case you lose the top of my arms. So when they go up above the head, they're going to come together like that, bringing the backs of the hands together. At the same time, we're going to lift the leg. One leg at a time, obviously. Ooh, itchy eye. Okay, so here we go. We're bringing the arms up, lifting your wings and lifting one leg. Yay, marvellous, and down. And lift. Reach up and down. Breathing out, coming down always. And lift. And down. And up. And down. And lift. And down. You're doing really well. And lift. Do you feel like one of those lovely birds? Lift. Down. You can always look it up on your laptop or whatever to see what a crane looks like. Cranes in China tend to be white, a little bit of red on their head. Okay, so we're still cranes. We've done a lot of flying. We're going to come down, stand nice and tall. We're going to stretch out our wings. Oh, they've been working so hard to get us to this lovely place. And we're going to lift our chest, stretch our long neck, beaks up towards the sky. Oh, relax. And back and stretch, lift up. Oh, breathe out. And stretching. Relax. And stretching. I got a bit distracted then. There's a crow that flies past my house, and it looks like it's got holes in its wings. Doesn't seem to stop him though. And stretch out. This is the last one. Have a little flicker of your wings. Oh, that feels so good. stop. Excellent. So those are cranes. Just give your arms and shoulders a bit of a rest. Flick your legs before we move on to the next bird. The next one is quite different. It's an eagle. It's what we call a raptor, or a bird of prey. So they catch other animals, small animals, to feed on. They've got quite a strong hooked beak, but their claws, their talons, wow, they're really sharp and strong. So when we're going down, it's called the eagle swoops for prey. When we're swooping, get those claws out. You'll see birds, not eagles probably, unless you're in Scotland. The biggest we have is a buzzard, and they kind of hover for a while, and they're looking down on the ground from quite a long way up. They've got wonderful eyesight. They're looking down in the grass, in the fields, waiting till something comes along that they can take home for their babies to eat, or them feed the family. So we're going to hover a little while, just looking down, looking, and then when we spot something, we're going to bring the arm round, out come those claws, and we go down swooping and pick up. Did you catch it? That's not enough for everybody though, we need some more. Hover, hover. Look at something down there. I've got some daisies to look at. And my shadow. Here we go, here's another thing. Pick it up. Whoa. I'll take it home. I wonder how much we need. How many babies in the nest? And down we go. We've got to feed ourselves as well. And our partner. Anything else down there? What can we see? Here we go. And catch it. Whoa, well done. We're nearly there. We just need 2 more little things and then we're going back to the nest. And we're lucky today. Wow, here we are. Big strong claws. Oh. My wings are beginning to hurt a bit now. Thank goodness this is the last thing I need. Pick it up. Whoa. And let's go back and settle. Take it all back to the nest and relax our wings. We're doing really well. Next bird you won't find in the garden, you won't find it in the country, you'll only find it in a book because it's not a real bird. It's called a roc, an R-O-C, r-o-c. There's a story about a sailor called Sinbad. This is the only time I've seen a roc in a story, and this one, in the picture, is carrying off an elephant. So they must be pretty big birds, ginormous birds. So we're going to have a strong movement this time. We're going to bring the arms right out and round, and when we do it, the palm of your hand, the soft bit with all the lines on, that's going to be facing me. And we're going to circle and move the body. And we're going to turn and circle. And turn and circle. I don't know if you can see the top of my hands. Let's do it down here. Circle. Okay, coming up again. Round. And the weight goes a little bit from one side to the other, from one leg to the other. Bending the knee a little. That's it, big strong birds. Any elephants? I don't think we want to catch an elephant. Not today. Okay, and finish. How are you getting on? We're going to the beach now. Wild geese land on the beach. Sometimes I can hear the sea when I'm in the garden here, but not today, so the tide must be way, way out. We bring the arms up, then we bend them to hands towards shoulders, palms out, and push. Bend, palms out, and push. And at the same time, we're going to step, tuck the knee in, and bend down. Okay? Let's have a go. I'm going to my right, you're going to your left. Step, bending, I'm in the trees again, push. Bending, push, and finish. Now go the other way. Step, knee behind, push. Bend down and push. And come together. Sometimes you see flocks of Canada geese flying over. They make quite a noise, a honk, honk, honk noise. They have black heads. They're grey, brown birds, black heads, quite big. And they usually fly in a group in a V shape. Pushing. Step out. We go behind. And we push. And down. So we all like going to the beach, don't we? And push. And one more time. To your left first. Push. And in. And push. And to your right. Step. Bend the knees. And push. Keeping the back nice and straight. And bend. And push. And there we are. We're all on the beach now. Let's have a paddle. I don't know if birds like paddling. Seagulls must. One more, and that's a pigeon. I think we all know what a pigeon looks like. The ones around here are very fat. Big bellies. People used to eat pigeons, put them in a pie. I don't think we do anymore. We're going to have one leg in front. And we're going to go forward and back. Just gently bending the knees. And we're going to take our arms this way. Now you wouldn't think a bird flies like that. Normally they fly this way. But if you watch a pigeon, maybe other birds as well, when they're coming to a tree to land, they tend to sort of come upright, a bit upright, and do this. And then close. So just think about that. Quite big, quite chunky. Open. Breathing in, and we're going to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. If you've got something between your hands, pushing it inwards. And squeezing. And open. And we're going to breathe out when we're squeezing. And we're going to do the same to the other leg. Take it forwards. Open. And squeeze and breathe out. And open. And squeeze. And we're nearly done for today, so stay with me. And squeeze. And last time. And in. I think we've all deserved a rest now. Maybe a drink of water. Hold your wings in. Whoop. Maybe we should have done a seagull. Fold your wings in. Relax. Calm down. Settle on your perch. And we'll be back again another day. And I wonder what we're going to be next time. Don't forget to tune in and see. Bring your feet together. And I think most of us have watched Kung Fu Panda, so you'll be familiar with the salute. Bring your hands in, one is in a fist, one is open. And we say, thank you for joining us. You've done a really good job today. Take care, be kind, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.